Hi, this is Darrell Peterson with Micromeasurements. I'd like to take a minute and introduce you to one of our environmental coatings called M-Coat FBT. M-Coat FBT is actually a butyl rubber material where we take the butyl rubber and add solvent to it so that you can apply it using a tube that looks like a big tube of toothpaste. It comes out, it has about the consistency of peanut butter, and once you apply it, then you can take a spatula and it just kind of smooth it over to create a thin layer. The reason that you would consider using M-Coat FBT is that it's a very good moisture barrier. So oftentimes our customers manufacturing transducers and load cells and they need a moisture barrier, they consider using the M-Coat FBT. Butyl rubber provides that moisture resistance, and if you need mechanical protection, you can apply another layer of coating over top of this once it's cured. And those other coatings could be, for example, like a layer of silicon rubber like 3140 or 3145. But if you're looking for an environmental coating that offers low reinforcement, also a very good moisture barrier, and maybe you're building a load cell or transducer, you might want to consider using the M-Coat FBT. Excellent moisture resistance, low mechanical reinforcement, relatively easy to apply. It's like a big tube of toothpaste. If you'd like to find out more about M-Coat FBT or any of the Micromeasurements protective coatings, please feel free to take a look at our website at www.micro-measurements.com. Thank you.